Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in last topic we have discussed the strings and different method of strings. Also string indexes also we discuss. So in this video we are going to discuss about list, and it is most commonly used topics in Python. Generally, if you are when you are working in real-time projects, so lists are most commonly use the part, or we can say that use data types in Python. So uh, let's start with list. So basically, lists are mutable. Mutable means elements of list or inside elements within the list we can change. Okay. So also we can call list as a different a collection of different types of elements. For example, in list we can include the integer, string, float, a lot of different data type objects. Okay, so agenda of today's discussion is that we are going to discuss about how we are going to create list, also how indexing and slicing works in list. After that, basic list methods. After that, nesting list means list inside list. Also, different most commonly used and advanced topic in list is list compression. Okay, so let's start with the creating list. When you are going to create list, so generally you need to use square bracket, and in square bracket you if you add different element. Okay, so it is as a, so if you print these elements, so it is a list of two elements. Okay. Okay. Also, as we discussed earlier, list is collection of different data type. You can see here. In same list, we use string, integer, float is also there. Again, string is there. So it is a combination of string, integer, float, different data type object, and also length. Length is as we discussed in string. Length is a method which is used on the list also. So if you check the length of my list, so in my list we have just added two elements. Okay, so it is two. If I added uh, one, two, three, four elements in that list, if we check the length, then it becomes four. Okay. After that, we are going to discuss about indexing and slicing. Yeah, somehow indexing and slicing in list is same as that of string. Uh, if you guys see this example in my list, uh, if you want to access the first element of that list, and which is one, so if you type my list of in square bracket zero, so it use first element. Same way, if you want to skip that first elements and start printing from the second element, so if you do my list of one uh, colon, uh, then it gives remaining element of that list. Same way, you can restrict it to the third elements. Okay. Same in a string, we have also discussed the string concatenation. So here also we can in same way we can add the new item in existing list. Okay, initially in my list one, two, three, four, five elements are there. If we uh, add this element, then it is a new item also included in that list. Okay, yeah, here is another example. Also, you can perform different operation on list. If you want to repeat that list, you can use a multiplication symbol after that too. So this list will be repeated two times. Okay, you can check here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So this list is repeated twice. Okay, then we come to the next most important part in list, which is the list methods. Okay, you can see that there are different list methods. For example, if we consider the simple list of three elements and we want to add another element in that list, so we can use the append method. For example, if I want to add the another element which is 6 in that list, so and if you print this list, so 6 is added in that list. Also, if you want to remove any element from that list, so you can use pop and you pass here index. Okay, zeroth is the index position. If you pass zeroth here, so it automatically delete that zeroth uh, position element which is 1. Okay, okay, you can see that 1 is removed from that list. Okay. Another one index property is that if you type that if your length has only two elements, so it only have two indexes, and we if you pass list one upon it returns. But if this element length is not included then list, so it gives the error which is list index out of range. Also, there are different built-in method in list. Sort is also there. Reverse is also there. Okay. If you check, this is our new list. If you use reverse method, then it print the list in reverse order. Okay. Same way, sort is also there. So it sort in ascending order. Again, what is nesting of list? Nesting of list is that if we can say that if list within the list, so we can call it as a nested list. You can see here we have created three lists: list one, list two, and list three. So, and if I added this element to another list. Okay, so if you check the output of that matrix variable, so in list there are three another lists. Yeah, and if you do some indexing on that, indexing or slicing on that, so matrix of 0 returns first list. Same way matrix of 2 return the last list, because it is in second index, but it is last element of that list. Okay, and another most common and mostly used in the function of list is the list compression. List compression is the, we can say that is it is advanced features of that list. This is allowed to this list compression helps. It is quick construction of that list. Okay, if you want to print something from that list, so you can directly print. Means, yeah, list compression is simple, is that in same list you need to use the for loop to printing that element, so it return the results. And as compared to general list compression is very fast and it performs very well. Mm, okay, and okay, and if you see the list compression, so in list compression, yeah, here we use the for loop. Means our basic list is this, and if you want to just want to print the first element of that list, 1 4 means within every list. So if you write the code like row of 0 for I in matrix. So it return, I think what I miss, for I in, sorry, for row in matrix. Okay, so it gives returns the first element of each list. Same way, if you want to the second element of our list, you just need to change here one. So it will return the second elements of that list. So in general, list compression perform very well when you want to manipulate the data or return the data from that existing list.